to the Cannabis Sommelier. I'm your host, Andrew Freedman. Thanks for joining me for another episode of Cannabis Edible Reviews. Today, we're going to be diving into another beverage. It's a little bit lower dose, but is more in that soda-esque taste category from what I understand. What are we checking out today? It's the dark cherry sparkling beverage from Little Victory. Little Victory is another brand from Truss Beverages. They do Molo, MXG, a couple others, and they're powered by Hexo. So this is the beverage side of Hexo, which is Truss Beverages, creating a bunch of brands. We've reviewed a couple of them. The Little Victory sounded pretty cool. So let's check it out. We'll dive a little deeper. 2.5 milligrams of THC, 2.5 milligrams of CBD. The bottle is really nice. Comes in a glass bottle with a bottle cap on it, which is pretty cool. A lot of the beverages don't. There's 35 calories in a bottle. There's 6 grams of sugar, so not too much. 15 milligrams of sodium. And we've got for our ingredients carbonated water, cherry juice, concentrated cherry juice. This is one of the things that they boast, is that it's 5% actual cherry juice for the flavoring. Sugar is cane sugar, which is nice, citric acid, and then their cannabis emulsion is glycerin, ethanol alcohol, water, polysorbate 80, modified palm oil, sunflower lecithin, THC distillate, and CBD distillate. I couldn't find any information if this was a nano-emulsified or any specific technology or technique from any person, but it blends in well, and they do a lot of beverages, and they pride themselves on beverages, so I'm sure it is in there well. Nothing stuck to the bottom of the bottle or anything. Looks nice, clear, like it should. So yeah, let's dive into it. Big THC warning. I really like the color of the beverage. I really like the color of the bottle, and I'm excited to try it. We'll sip it out of the bottle first, then we'll put it in the international standard wine tasting glass. I never comment on effects for anybody who's new to the channel. I'm just here to tell you what it tastes like and arm you with knowledge so that you can go make a better purchasing decision. Let's crack into it. Duty seal, still set. I've never tried one of these before. So, out of the bottle, really smells like cherry popsicle, red cherry popsicle to the max. There is absolutely no other smell in there. It's black cherry, sparkling black dark cherry, so it probably should smell like just straight up dark cherry, but it's very reminiscent of, if you like cherry soda, cherry pop, I think you'll like this from the smell. On the first taste, it is sparkling water, so the bubble's a little bit tighter. It doesn't hit your palate like pop. It doesn't have that explosive carbonated CO2 heavy hitter bubble. Smooth on the palate. It's kind of like watered down juice flavor. It's not full pop flavor. There's only 6 grams of sugar. A lot of those pops have 20 plus grams of sugar that really give you that sweet taste and that thicker mouthfeel. But it's quite good. To be honest with you, it's like a fancy sparkling cherry Kool-Aid. If you made cherry Kool-Aid with sparkling water, you would probably make something close to this. Can't taste any reminiscent of cannabis taste, but it is only 2.5 milligrams CBD and THC. The color is quite pink, quite see-through. It doesn't have those deep, dark, fake colors in it. We'll note on the ingredients list there is no added fake coloring, so this is the color that's coming from the cherry juice, the natural cherry juice, so that's pretty nice. And same deal, just a much lighter nose, more bubblegum-esque cherry, less concentrated obviously because it has more surface area. Just cherry Kool-Aid, cherry popsicle. Nice mouthfeel, easy to drink. This would be a really easy one to cocktail with because it's just cherry and sparkling water, so not much going on to it. I could see a couple different maybe mojito remixes that you could do with this. That'd be killer. I think this would be great to highlight in a beverage format. Yeah, quite enjoy it. Is it a product for me that I'm going to get intoxicated from? Probably not. If you were a very light cannabis user though, or you'd like to step into what cannabis might feel like, this is probably a good place to start. Liked it, enjoyed it. Let's give it 8 out of 10. That's it. Fantastic. Definitely worth $5 if you see one at your local dispensary and you want to try one. I really appreciate you watching. I hope you make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.
What's my name? What's my name? The cannabis sommelier. What's my name?